Unveiling 7 confidence-boosting secrets every Ginny Yurich fan should know. Unleashing the power of authenticity. 1000 words. Embrace authenticity as a foundation for confidence. Authenticity, the quality of being real or genuine, is crucial in building unwavering self-confidence. Ginny Yurich, an iconic figure in personal development, repeatedly emphasizes the importance of being true to oneself. Yurich, 2023. 1. Authenticity fosters connection. Being genuine allows others to connect with you on a deeper level, which can boost your confidence as people are drawn to authentic individuals. 2. Authenticity reduces stress. By being true to yourself, you eliminate the need to maintain multiple personas, alleviating stress and increasing your overall well-being. 3. Authenticity encourages self-awareness. Being honest with oneself helps identify strengths and weaknesses, enabling personal growth and a stronger sense of self-worth. Embrace your authentic self to foster genuine connections, reduce stress, and embark on a journey of personal growth that will bolster your confidence. Cultivating resilience. 800 words. Develop resilience to bounce back from setbacks with ease. Resilience, the ability to recover quickly from difficulties, is another key aspect of Ginny Yurich's teachings on self-confidence. In her seminal work, The Power of Resilience, Yurich, 2024, she outlines strategies for cultivating this essential trait. 1. Practice mindfulness. Mindfulness techniques such as meditation can help individuals stay focused on the present moment, reducing anxiety and fostering resilience. 2. Cultivate a growth mindset. Embrace challenges as opportunities to learn and grow, rather than as threats to your self-worth. 3. Build supportive relationships. Surround yourself with people who uplift and encourage you, providing a safety net during difficult times. Developing resilience will enable you to bounce back from setbacks quickly, fostering a stronger sense of self-confidence that can weather life's storms. Mastering self-compassion. 800 words. Practice self-compassion to nurture your inner strength. Self-compassion, treating oneself with kindness and understanding, is a powerful tool for boosting self-confidence. Ginny Yurich encourages her followers to treat themselves as they would a dear friend. Yurich, 2023. 1. Reduces self-criticism. Self-compassion helps counteract harsh self-judgment, fostering a more positive self-image and increased confidence. 2. Improves mental health. Practicing self-compassion has been linked to lower levels of anxiety and depression, contributing to overall well-being and confidence. 3. Encourages personal growth. By treating oneself with kindness, individuals are more likely to take risks and pursue personal growth opportunities. Cultivating self-compassion will nurture your inner strength, reduce self-criticism, improve mental health, and encourage personal growth, all of which contribute to a stronger sense of self-confidence. Harnessing the power of positive affirmations. 600 words. Utilize positive affirmations to reprogram your mind for success. Positive affirmations, statements that reinforce positive beliefs about oneself, are a powerful tool in Ginny Yurich's arsenal for building self-confidence. Yurich, 2023. 1. Alters thought patterns. Repeating positive affirmations can help rewire your brain to focus on the positive aspects of yourself and your abilities,